want to show you a quick rundown of how these dynamic marker lights work in the fenders. This is an upgrade that's available for GM and Chevy pickups. So this is full width. It's the amber light with the smoke lens. You can also get it with the white light and the smoke lens, as well as a clear lens option is also available. This is with the parking lights on, so it's hooked up to your headlights. Anytime your headlights are on, these are going to be on the front and back. I'm going to hop in the truck and show you how the turn signals pulse along with it as well. And then with the truck shut off, they just go back to this one, smoke lens, so it's pushed back to black. With the painted flare, it actually blends in. You don't even see it at all. I like that look. There's obviously different opinions on that, but this truck pretty much blends in. You don't even notice until the lights pop back on.